My first experience with Pop Rocks.
Here we go. Ow. I don't know if I like it or... Your turn.
Okay. Alright, so how many do you put in?
I don't know, I just pour in a little bit.
I don't know how to come out.
Be smarter than the package. Still cannot believe you've never had Pop Rocks.
No.
See, it's like you're a child again.
Oh, it's weird. This is really sweet. Are you enjoying this?
Yes, very much.
Oh, so...
Take care.
Ah!
Oh, that was a huge one.
This is so weird.
Oh my goodness. All right, the verdict is thumbs up. All right, cool.
Yeah.